So I saw a video of a lady who made wine from banana. I said to give it a shot, and of course it came out nice. Trust me, I decided to show you here so you know the simple process of how you can make wine out of banana, or you can make banana wine. Banana wine actually came out nicer than I thought. You can use any type of banana, but I know the medicinal type of banana is those short type of banana. Well, to begin, I'll be using the regular banana we know, and I'll be doing it with a liter of water using 2 pieces of banana. If you want more, you can add more banana and of course add more water. And I'll also be using this transparent container in order to see the fermentation process and how it's all going. To maintain proper hygiene, I'll start by washing my hand properly with soap and running water. This is to maintain a clean and clear wine. This process is quite simple. After washing my hand and making sure everything is properly washed, I'll go ahead and peel my banana, just as you can see in this video. If you're wearing long nails, I suggest you wear a hand glove. That is to prevent bacteria and germs from entering into what we are preparing. As you can see, I'm almost done peeling this banana. The next step is to take them into the very clean container. You can mash it, you can just use your hand to pieces it the way I'm doing in this video. Every step of it, you make sure you maintain a proper hygiene. As you can see, I washed my hand immediately after peeling the banana. The next thing I'll do is to go in with my very clean drinkable water. Make sure you fill it to an extent, then cover it to be airtight. When I say airtight, make sure it's properly covered, and then allow the fermentation to begin. Once it's properly covered, you then set it aside and allow the fermentation to begin. It's just fermentation that will transform this banana into wine. This is the first day. That's after 24 hours. This is what our banana wine looks like. The more you allow it to ferment, the better it will come out. So this is just the 24 hours, guys. Let's check out what it looks like the next day. This is after 48 hours, the second day. This is exactly what our banana wine looks like. The fermentation process is ongoing. And of course, you know, the more you leave it, the more alcoholic content it's accumulating. So this is after about 4 days. I'm trying to, extract the wine from the fermented banana. At this point, as you can see, I was wearing a very long nails, so I had to cover my nails with my hand glove. But if you wash your nails, and it will be very clean, that will also be fine. So feel free to cover your nails and or wash them properly to avoid taking in germs and bacteria, which will be very, very detrimental to your system. Okay. Extract the wine, I need a cheesecloth and a very clean bowl. Then these are the cups I'll be using to drink my wine. Guys, this wine came out nice. Honestly, this is the fourth day and is already looking like palm wine. This can be served as palm wine. If care is not taken, someone can give you this in the name of or in place of palm wine. Guys, let's proceed. Pico. Then I went ahead to wash my cheesecloth. This is also to maintain proper hygiene. Remember, I told you this process needs proper hygiene. So despite my cheesecloth was very clean, I still needed to wash it again to reconfirm. So after that, I went ahead to place it over my very, very clean bowl to extract the wine, just as you can see. To extract the wine, we need to shake it properly for everything to come out all at once. Okay, just as you can see in this video. Guys, this process is quite simple, as you are taking in natural organic wine. When I say natural wine, no artificial added. Of course, as you can see, it's just banana and very clean water, leaving it to ferment for 4 days. Well, the more it stays, the more alcoholic content it has. I don't have what it takes to measure the content of alcohol or the level of alcohol, but from what I read, at this point the alcohol level should be like 2 to 3%. And of course, if you take it much, you get intoxicated. As you can see, after extracting it, make sure you squeeze out all the juice properly. Squeeze out all the juice from the banana and through the cloth rather. Make sure you squeeze everything out and then transfer into your jar for consumption. You can refrigerate it, you can drink it as it is. Guys, I didn't refrigerate it at this point because I was in my African village and I needed to take this wine immediately. If you want to preserve it, make sure you put it in an airtight container, and then you can preserve it for extra 2 weeks. As I read, remember, I'm not a food scientist, I'm not a doctor, I'm not a physician, neither am I a nutritionist, like I always say. But this is what I saw someone else did on a YouTube video, and then I decided to give it a shot, and it came out very nice. Guys, our banana wine is ready. You can store this in an airtight container for as long as 2 weeks, and you are good to go. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to comment, subscribe, like, and share this video for many others to see how to process banana wine. Wine banana banana wine. Guys, it came out so nice. Thank you, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Enjoy. And of course, everyone that tested it liked it. You can add sugar as a sweetener, you can add yeast as a sweetener, you can add any sweetener of choice, and before the fermentation process. So please take notes. You can add sugar before you allow it to start fermentation, but otherwise just ferment that way and serve. Enjoy your wine. Bye.